Hi, it's me again, Sess, and for today, we are going to explore different ways of selling courses through Wisdome. All right, so the first option would be selling your course through your sales page. Okay, and to do that, first we have to ensure that your sales page is set up, and this is how you set it up. Okay, so just go to settings, and then select My Sales Settings. Next, go to Sales Page. All right. So as you can see, our sales page is already set up, but if you haven't done that yet, that's okay. Just create it by adding your page title and then uploading your cover image or like a banner image for the sales page. And the recommended size is 1366 by 256 pixels. Okay, next you'll have to add a sales copy. All right. And then in these areas right here, this is where you will have to select the products that you actually want to show on your sales page. And this area is for access levels. So if you want a certain access level to be available on your sales page, you just have to turn on or activate the radio button. So let's select one right here. So this one here and this one. Okay, that looks good. And right here, you can also select the courses. Like if you have already uploaded a few courses, you will see all of the available courses. So for this demonstration, we'll use this course, Create Impactful Courses. So as you can see, it's already active. That's good. And if you do have events, you can also make that available on your sales page. And let's just activate that. Make sure this page is, make sure this area is checked like that, and then click Save. All right, so right now we have activated our sales page. So what we need to do is to copy this link. This is the link of your sales page. So just copy or click on this icon to copy. Right, okay. And then let me show you what the sales page looks like. Okay, so this is our sales page. Okay, so the first process that I'm going to show you is how your existing members, so for example, they're already part of a membership plan and they just want to purchase a course from you. So this is how they're going to do it. You share the link that you just copied off of the sales page area. So this is that link. And then from there, they select the course. In this case, we are selecting this as part of the demo. So they can actually see the description, and they can even see other products that they might want to purchase as well. So just click purchase. Okay, and here I have to enter my details in order to complete the purchase. The moment you input an email address that's already in the system, it will recognize that you're already a member, and it will ask you to enter your password and click authenticate. So we will do just that. So enter the password and then click authenticate. Perfect. So it has recognized my information, and then it may ask for the street address and your zip code. And then just click next. All right. So as you can see in this checkout page, it's asking for the payment information of your student. So once the student has successfully placed the order, right? So they will see this immediately. And once they could click here to go to the course or click in this area to access the course. Right. And that was this course that we purchased. And then they can see the modules inside as well as the lessons inside. This is how an existing member or student can actually purchase a course using your sales page. The next thing on our agenda is I'll show you how a non-member or someone who is not yet a student or part of your membership can actually purchase a course using your sales page, right? The same thing, your student will have to go to your sales page. So you can either share this through email or share it on social media, and then it will bring them to this page. And then we select, for example, this course right here. Okay, they'll see the same thing. They'll have to enter their details. So let me just input my information here. Once again, we have the details of the course, price and tax, and an area to input their coupon code if you give them a coupon code. Okay, and then let's click next. Right, we're back to the same page, the checkout area where they have to input their card details. And of course, we will encourage them to review the terms and conditions by clicking on this link and check the box and then place the order. So that is how a non-member can purchase a course. The same thing, they will be, after completing the transaction, they will be directed into their members dashboard or student dashboard. All right, this time around, I'm going to show you how a non-member can actually purchase a course through your landing page. Let's go back to courses. And then let's select this course once again. Okay, now we need a link to embed to our landing page. So just go to the share button here and then select checkout URL, right? Okay, and from this checkout URL area, just click copy and click on OK. All right, and then you can go to your landing page and create a buy button and embed that link. Let me show you what I created. All right, so here's what I did. I have embedded the link into a blog article. And this is the link to the course that I created. So let's click. Okay. And as you will notice, the user or a student will be automatically directed to the checkout area. It's got all of the information about the course. It has the pricing information. And there you can see that right after confirming the transaction or completing the payment, the student is automatically directed to the dashboard. And from this area, they can either click here to view the course or select this icon from the sidebar menu. Okay, let's just do that. Okay, this is the course that we have purchased. And it's got all the details. All right, so that is our demo for today on how to sell courses through Wisdome. Thank you very much for your time.